Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Dati nangungulit lang po siya sa bahay namin. Pupunta siya kay mama. Tina, pitas mo ako ng suwa, bibigay ko kay nanay. Ganyan.
Mas i-open mo ba kung bakit yan? Hindi siya ganun kamahal, pero malaking bagay siya. Nakita ko kasi kung gaano ka-creative si AA.
Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So, welcome dun sa adulthood. So, syempre, madalas na, alam ko na maraming mga struggles sila ng mga teenager. So, lagi mo lang tandaan na ikaw ay anak ng ating Ama sa Langit at ikaw ang isa sa mga pinakamagandang creations na dito sa mundo.
We'll never have regret.